Hello, let's start this tutorial by recording my screen. And first thing we'll do is go to the App Store and download this Adobe Photoshop Mix application, which is totally free. You just need to search the name and download it and open it. For me, it's already downloaded, so I just search and I can show you it is here, Adobe Photoshop Mix, and I'm going to open it. Just like any other website or app, you need to sign up or log in, depending if you already have an account with any other Adobe accounts. So after login, you just have to click on start your new project by clicking on that plus icon and select the photos. The Adobe Photoshop Mix on the layers. So first photo is first layer, and on top of that you keep adding layers, whether it is a photo or you're going to add a title. Here I have added second layer of photo of this girl on that giant wheel photo. So now I'm going to edit this, crop it in smart mode, not manually. I just have to click on cutout, add or subtract, and that's it. It's done automatically. You can do manually also, and your two layers of photos are ready. Here you can move around, make it bigger, smaller, left, right. You can rotate anywhere, wherever you want. So these are two layers of photo. You can do the cutout manually or automatically, and that's it. You are ready. You don't have to do it online. Keep working on your projects even without internet. Save the image on your device without any watermarks.